So you've already equipped yourself with umbrellas, bowls, snorkeling gear, food and drink to make your trip awesome. But the issue is that you simply can't bring all those stuff at once. So you need a wagon to carry all of these things. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality beach wagon. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which beach wagon is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Radio Flyer Outdoor Collapsible Wagon. Folding carts have grown in popularity during the past few years. They have simplified daily duties such as carrying and transporting big objects to make living easier. There are a variety of radio flyer carts designed for certain functions. This study examines the 3-in-1 Fold Wagon with Canopy, a folding cart that parents can use to transport 2 children to the zoo, the park, the beach, and to carry cargo as well. Many collapsible wagons have outstanding weight capacities, but few are designed to transport children. It has a practical design, with seat belts and a bench mode for eating meals, for instance. Consider the Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Fold Wagon with Canopy, if you require a multi-purpose wagon capable of transporting big things and young children safely. This is why we, as parents, examined it. Number 2. Mac Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Beach Wagon. The Mac Outdoor Beach Wagon is equipped with large wheels for traversing sand. Due to the proximity of the front wheels, turning with a lighter heavily stacked load may cause the vehicle to topple. In contrast, if you are aware of what this foldable cart is capable of carrying and fill it accordingly, up to more than 100 pounds, it will provide relief and reduce stress on the route to and from the beach. This wagon is a respectable option that has a tray where you can eat or drink in comfort. It has a sturdy frame, so you can rest assured that it will not shatter or break easily. The Mac Sports Collapsible Beach Wagon with Table is a workhorse for daily use. Cost-effective and user-friendly with a fair pricing. Number 3. Beer Cruiser Wagon. This luxury stroller wagon is precisely what you need to distinguish yourself from the masses. Amazon will provide you with a 2-year warranty if you purchase the item from them. It meets all of the ASTM and JPMA safety criteria. As an added amenity, the wagon can accommodate an infant car seat. It can be pushed like a stroller, towed like a wagon, or pushed like new luggage due to its versatile construction. This is the most well-made wagon stroller hybrid available. The airless tires and front comfort suspension make it appropriate for travel on any terrain. If you value innovation and visual appeal, it is a terrific purchase. Number 4. Creative Outdoor Wagon. The Creative Outdoor Push-Pull Wagon is equipped with all the necessary features for a wagon. The folding steel frame can support up to 150 pounds of weight. In addition, the car comes with a cover that helps shield your children from rain and UV rays. In addition, the wagon is simple to fold and store in a car trunk, closet, or garage. The push-pull wagon will allow you to traverse a variety of terrains. The cart is constructed to be durable and will last for years. The canopy is an additional feature that the majority of other carts on the market lack. This is a fantastic value owing to its incredible features. Number 5. Enkyo Foldable Wagon. If you are looking for a durable beach wagon with a multitude of features that comfortably accommodates your children, then you should choose the Enkyo wagon. After reading hundreds of reviews on this intriguing beach wagon, we come to the conclusion that it's undoubtedly the greatest mid-range wheeler. First, it provides an exceptionally comfortable handle that allows you to maneuver the wheelbarrow without experiencing any arcing. Additionally, it comes with a cover, which is essential for protecting your food and beverages from the sun. It goes without saying how frustrating it is to discover your beverages heated. And the finest aspect of all is that the wagon is constructed with a spacious outer basket that is ideal for your electronic equipment. Overall, if you have the funds to invest, you should do so. All of the available features will leave you incredibly satisfied, as this is an unquestionably excellent option. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.